Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve this problem. So as you can see, here I have message about cartridges in wrong slot. So what we need to do? We just need to replay the cartridges to the good place. Okay, so how to do it? So firstly, we need to open our cartridges place. To do it, you need to click on this button on the left side of your printer. It looks like this button with toner with the toner logo. So just click on this button and toner place will be opened. Now just open your cartridge slot, and here you will see all your cartridges. Here I have blue. Here I have blue color, blue cartridge, and here I have my red cartridge. And now I need to reinsert. Now I need to change the place. Replace blue to red to blue place and blue to red place. So this is very easy to understand what the place you need to place your in which place you need to place your cartridge. Why? Because on every cartridge you will have the letter. This is C, this is K, and this is M. Okay, so as you can see, green cartridge needs to be green cartridge needs to be in Y slot. Black cartridge needs to be in M slot. Red cartridge needs to be in K slot. And blue cartridge needs to be in C slot. Replace it all and place it back. Insert it back, close it, and wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!